This is Community Gaming. It is a gaming platform that allows you to play Web 2 games and earn cryptocurrency, usually in USDC, just for playing those games. You can also make tournaments and participate in other people's tournaments on games you play like Fortnite or Valorant or even Clash of Clans. But this video today is going to talk about what I think is going to be an airdrop that they're having for a token they are coming out with later this year. And this is speculation, but they just introduced this. This is their Summer Points program. And basically it is like many other airdrop farms we've seen recently in the past 6 months, where you can earn points by spinning a wheel, going and getting loot boxes, and doing daily quests with all different kinds of activities. And one of those activities is in fact playing in tournaments on Community Gaming. And like many other airdrop campaigns, they also have referral rewards. So once you make an account, you can refer your friends and earn some extra juicy points that way too. So how does it work? Well, they lay it out pretty dang well on this page right here. Step 1 is you're going to create your account. First, you'll go to cg.matchcrypto.com and it's going to take you over to this page right here where you can click sign up. Then you'll enter your email and click continue. Then you'll get a code emailed to you and you'll input it right here, and that's it. You're done. You've made your account on Community Gaming. That's step 1 complete. Step 2, 3, and 4 are pretty much just doing the daily rewards, which is the daily spinner, daily quests, and earning loot boxes to earn more rewards. So to get to those pages, we're going to click on this little quest button right up here in the top, and it's going to bring us to the points farming page where we can see I'm currently ranked 1395 because I have 0 points. I currently have 1 ticket on the wheel, and we'll go ahead and spin the wheel now to see if we get any juicy fat points right off the rip for the video. 10K. Okay, that's literally great. That's literally the best thing we could have gotten on the wheel is 10,000 points. Let's see where we rank now. Now we're ranked 192. We have moved up the rankings super fast on literally 1 wheel spin, but don't worry because now we can go down and we can go and do all of these daily quests. As you can see, there is a bonus structure for if you get multiple days in a row. So you do want to come back every single day and do the quests each day to rack up whatever bonus rewards you can get on the calendar here. But besides that, there are a lot of points to gain from very simple quests like this one, 4,000 points just to link our X. So we'll go ahead and click link X. And just like that, we have 14,000 points and we're almost in the top 100 already. The next quest is also very simple. You're just gonna follow Community Gaming over on X. You'll click follow and boom. So there are a handful of other quests like subscribing to the YouTube channel for 2,000 points, actually going and looking at redacted coins. We can see right here if we just go over and so redacted coin I thought was a promo for redacted coin, the actual coin, but I was wrong. It's a promo for the CGX token. So at the beginning of this video, I said, I'm speculating there's gonna be an airdrop token for this points farming system. And guess what? They've already basically subtly announced it, the CGX token powering the future of Community Gaming. Now we can see that CGX is going to be the ERC20 token representing governance and utility functions within the Community Gaming ecosystem. So CGX token is what we'll get from farming this airdrop and these summer points. They've actually also put a roadmap in here, which is great to see because honestly, a lot of these products that come out with coins don't really have much of a roadmap in stock yet. So it's good to see that they're planning ahead here. We can see this goes all the way up to Q2 of 2025. So it looks like right now the Summer Points program is where we're at, and this is going to go into Q3 of 2024, right? So it's the duration of the summer that this points program will work for. And then I imagine at the end of the summer or somewhere near the end of that, we will have the TGE. Okay, so you can do all these other ones on your own time. It's basically just linking your Discord, linking your Google, subscribing on YouTube. Very simple social interaction type stuff, but there is one right here that adds 50,000 points to your balance, and that is hosting a tournament. So if you haven't interacted with Community Gaming yet, what you'll do is click this plus button right up here and then click create tournament. That's where you can go over and make your own tournament. You can set up the name, the URL that people can join through, which game you want to play, and then which region you want to participate in, which will most likely set the time zone you're going to play the tournament in. You can also set whether it's a no prize tournament, sponsored tournament that has a prize pool, or an entry fee tournament where people pay to enter the tournament. So making your tournament and completing it will earn you 50,000 points under this quest. Now the next thing we can do once we get 10,000 points each time, we can unlock the loot box for a chance to win other rewards and more spin tickets of spinning the wheel, so we don't have to wait 24 hours necessarily every single time. So let's go ahead and open this loot box, and there you go. We won 500 points, which is pretty lackluster compared to the wheel, which gave us 10,000 points off the rip. That was the best we could have gotten. But now you can see with that little amount of 500, we've actually gotten to rank 59. So we are ranking up pretty quick here, and that's just because this just launched yesterday. So this is really, really early to the game. If you want to participate, no pun intended, on community gaming and the airdrop that is now confirmed to give you CGX tokens, or at least we think the points will convert to CGX tokens, you can go and join here again at cg.matscrypto.com and kind of get a head start here, because I've done 3 quests on the video so far and we are already at rank 59. So if I do all these quests, I imagine I'll be top 50 for sure. Once you've done the spinning and you've done the quests for the day and you open your loot box, you're going to want to come back each day and do whatever new quests pop up. And as always, you can also invite your friends. You can use a referral code that you'll get 5,000 points for you, and your friends will also get 5,000 points when you refer someone. So if you do want to join this, cg.matscrypto.com is going to have my referral code in it, meaning that you'll get 5,000 points right off the bat just for joining under my ref link. Now, there's one more thing I want to show you guys how to do today, which is joining a tournament. If you guys haven't participated yet in any tournaments on here, I feel like you should probably know how the actual platform itself works before getting into an airdrop to get the governance token and the utility token of said ecosystem. So you're going to click on Explore right here, and then you're going to be able to go and find all the tournaments that are currently running. You can sort by which game you want to play, which region you're in, or even just to see which tokens are available to earn as prize pools. So you can go and scroll down and see all the most current ones, and a lot of these are games that I have never played or don't really play. I'd probably get my butt kicked in playing these. So I used to play a lot of Clash of Clans. So let's say I wanted to go in this single elimination Clash of Clans tournament that's happening in 3 days. We would click on it right here, and then we'd scroll down and see that you do need a team of 5 players. So once you get 5 players, you can click join tournament, and then you can go and create your team to join this tournament right here, and you're in. You can participate in it. I would highly recommend that if you do join a tournament that you actually compete, because you won't get any of the prizes or any of the XP points for participating unless you actually compete in said tournament. Okay, that's pretty much all there is to it today. If there are any other updates on community gaming, I will be sure to let you guys know. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment down below and I'll answer as many as I possibly can. But again, if you want to join this and get 5,000 points for this airdrop right away, you can go to cg.matscrypto.com and you will immediately get 5,000 points, which might put you in the top 100 already. Before you head out, make sure you go and watch this video. You simply don't want to miss it.